We're on location here in St. Petersburg, Florida with the Attic Queen.
On the scene.
This is Andy Schulte, co-owner of Cool Machines. I'm Barry Pendley with insulationmachines.net.
We're happy to be down here with the Attic Queen and the Insulation Machines and showing our 37 horsepower, how much power it has, and what better place to do it in the beach on Florida.
Today we're on site running our CoolVac37 vacuum as well as our CoolVac23 vacuum. And notice the colors.
Attic Queen green,
colors.
baby.
We've been having a great time this morning. Attic Queen, how long have you been doing this?
A little more than 2 years.
Do you do extraction and blow-ins?
I do. I specialize in extractions. A lot of insulation companies don't like doing it, and I do. So I mostly extract, but I do have the ability to do blown fiberglass as well.
So you're extracting insulation. There must be something wrong with the insulation or a reason why you're taking it out. What are the most common ones you're finding?
Well, it's a known fact that over 400 million people Googled, "Is my house making me sick?" So a lot of times I go up there and there's been rodent infestations. There's urine, there's feces all over the place. There's been moisture issues, so the insulation may have gotten wet. It's lost its integrity, or even worse, it's developed something that starts with the letter M, mold, or it's just old. You know, sometimes people have allergies to dust and they've have cellulose in their attic and their attic is unsealed, which is very common. And that dust is getting pulled into the house and it's causing them to have breathing issues. So, you know, even if there's nothing wrong with it and they're sensitive to it, I'll pull it out to make the home healthy and happy.
We're glad to be here, and we're here only because Cool Machines jumped in and they went to great lengths to make this color for us and come all the way down here from Ohio. And it's been a great trip down here. The machines have been running flawlessly. And what do you think about the whole overall experience with these machines so far?
I am extremely happy. I never imagined power like this, and just, I normally use a 6-inch reduced to a 4-inch, and I'm up there right now using a 6-inch, and I believe initially we ran the 8-inch when we were running bats through, and I'm like, this is crazy. So, one of the things that I would talk about often was more power and, being able to suck up bats. And we had Barry here slide into the DM, well, I could do that, and sends me a picture of this. I'm like, oh my God. So it's definitely different, especially considering I started my business running an 18 horsepower. So to have double plus one, 37, which is, by the way, my lucky number, is just really mind-blowing. So far, so good. Little bit of kinks, and I think it's because we're just trying to pilot different things and, my inexperience of working with bigger hoses, but I think so far all is going pretty well.
Thank you for letting us come down here. This is awesome.
Thanks for coming. Like literally, it was like not even close to it, and it started sucking and gone like that. So towards the end though, there is a lot of like thick, old, gross bat insulation. So I can't wait to get to that part, and to me it's fun.